Hi, my dear students. I hope you're having a great day. I'm having an awesome day because I have the chance of teaching you this material that I know will help you get further in your professional career. Be grateful that you're learning this because a lot of people can't. All right, a lot of people don't even have a computer right now or a phone that they can watch this. With that said, on this lecture, we're building a database. We are building a database table and we are inserting some data inside that table. All right, I'm assuming you already know PHP, MySQLi, and if you don't, I have the best course in the planet to teach you. Just check out my PHP course for beginners where I teach all the fundamentals of PHP, OOP, MySQLi, and I even teach you how to build a CMS just like WordPress, Drupal, or Joomla. All right, so just make sure that you check out those courses if you don't know them because if you don't know PHP, this won't make much sense. All right, so just to let you know. So what we're gonna be doing is let's go and create that database right now. So let's go to our local host, and you should know how to do this already because if you know MySQL or MySQLi, you know that we have a server, right? We have a local server in our computer. So let's use the software phpMyAdmin just to create a simple database, all right? But you can pause this video and create a database and the table. I'm just going to create a database called Ajax right there. And then inside that database, I'm going to create a table called cars. I'm going to create two columns there, and I'm going to click go. Here I'm going to create an ID, and then I'm going to create a row called cars. This is going to be an integer, primary, and auto increment. All right. Cars is going to be varchar and 255. That's fine. All right. I think that looks good. What do you think? Perfect, right? All right. So now that we created the database in the table, let's insert some data. Here I'm just going to insert a couple rows of data, and I'm just going to create 5 more. So I'm just going to create a car called Honda Civic here because I like the car. It's kind of nice, right? Hondas are really good cars, but I also like BMWs, all right? So I'm just going to create another Honda here, Honda sedan. I'm just going to make sure that you take these ignored, checked, checkbox, uncheck them because if you don't uncheck them, they will not show. All right, so Honda sedan, Honda CRV, and I think that's about it for Honda. Let's go ahead and create some more. Actually, let's create 10 of them at least. We're gonna need some data. BMW, that's the next car I like. I actually have a BMW, not to show off, but it's not a really new car to this date, but it's not that old either, all right? But it's a really nice car. Actually was my dream car, and finally I was able to get it with just knowing some of the knowledge that I'm teaching you here. All right, so BMW 330, BMW M3, BMW, what is it, M5, BMW X6, BMW, what is the other one that they have? MX6. I might be making up some of this since they have so many different models. All right, now we're gonna create Mercedes. That's another nice car, right? Benz. All right, and I think they have a E300 and Mercedes. Right, let's create another row actually. Oops, that's too many rows. All right, it doesn't matter. We're just gonna keep going down a little bit, and that's it. Mercedes. We just Mercedes 320. You can go and grab a list somewhere online. That's fine. All right, we're almost done. All right, I promise. And the next one would be maybe a Nissan, a Toyota. That's a popular car, right? Toyota Tacoma, Toyota Corolla, Toyota Camry. All right, that's fine. Okay, I think that's enough just to show you some functionalities. Yeah, let's do a couple more. I like cars a lot. Sentra. All right, so let's click go on any of these, and we got 16 rows. All right, so I think we're good with this lecture here. I think this is long enough. Let's just check our. All right, so we got some data here going on. All right, perfect. So in the next lecture, we're going to continue with building our documents and connecting with this database. All right. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this lecture, and I'll see you on the next one. All right. Take care.